Hi Grateful! Sa video na to malalaman natin kung ano ang iba't ibang uri ng adjectives at kung ano ba ang mga degrees of comparison dito sa part na to. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's start! Okay, ano nga bang adjectives? These are the words that describe a noun or a pronoun. So it tells us about the quantity and the quality of a noun and pronoun. So kung ano yung mga salita na gagamitin natin para uriin, kasi ang Tagalog ng adjective ay pang-uri, di ba? Yan ay tatawagin nating pang-uri. Okay? So kung paano natin ilalarawan yung isang bagay. Examples: intelligent, brave, funny, big, tiny, tall, or lahat ng bagay na maglalarawan sa isang tao or isa pang bagay ay tatawagin nating adjectives. Okay, let's use it in a sentence. It's a story. Ito ay kwento. Ngayon, hindi natin alam kung anong uri ng kwento yan. Pwede natin dagdagan ng adjective na funny. It's a funny story. Ito ay nakatutuwang kwento. Because of the usage of the word funny, now we have more idea and information about what type of the story we have. Okay? And kung sakali napapalitan natin itong funny na to ng word na scary, it's a scary story, then we know that scary means nakakatakot, di ba? Nag-iba na yung uri ng kwento. Ito ay nakakatakot na kasi yun na yung ginamit natin na adjective. More examples. I have a cute cell phone case. So the word cute is an adjective because it tells us about the opinion. So kahit na anong opinion natin tungkol sa isang bagay o tao ay adjective yan. Pwedeng cute, beautiful, awesome, shiny. Diba? Lahat ng opinion ay adjective. Next one, let's take a look at the picture. Okay, that blue notebook is mine. Okay? So, yung blue na notebook na yan ay sa akin. The word blue is also an adjective. So, all of the colors are adjectives. Lahat ng kulay ay adjectives. Dahil matutukoy yan eh, di ba? Red, red balloon, blue notebook, yellow bag. Diba? So, matutukoy natin kung ano ba yung bag na tinutukoy dahil doon sa salitang yellow. Next example, I love using long spoon when eating ice cream. Okay? So, yung word na long yan ay adjective. It tells us about the size. Diba kung gaano kalaki? So, lahat yun ay adjectives. Small, medium, large, tiny, big, huge, ano pa ba? Little, lahat yan ay adjectives. Next, this rectangular container is good for souvenirs, okay? The word rectangular is an adjective because it tells us about the shapes. So, lahat ng shape, yan ay adjective. Okay? Meron tayong masasabi na circular table, di ba? Heart-shaped paper. So, yung lahat ng mga hugis, yan ay adjectives. Next example, this is my oldest bag. Okay, the word oldest, it is an adjective. It tells us about the age of this bag. So, lahat ng tumutukoy sa edad ng isang bagay, yan ay adjective. For example, young, mature, premature, aged, ancient, ano pa ba, antique. Yan ay mga uri ng adjectives. So, let's proceed to the next example. My friend gave me a leather bag. So, it's the same bag. My friend gave me a leather bag. The word leather is an adjective because it tells us about the material of this bag. Tinutukoy nito kung saan niyari yung bag na ito. Diba meron tayong ito, leather bag. We also have plastic bag. We also have rubber bag. Or maybe wooden bag. O, uso na yun ngayon. Yung mga rattan bags na may pagka-wooden yung style niya. So, anything that tells us about the material na ginamit, yan ay adjective. Okay, next example. My mom bought a laundry basket. The word laundry here, di ba, pagka laundry, pwede itong maging noun eh. Laundry, yung isang set ng buong labahin mo. But in this sentence, my mom bought a laundry basket. The word laundry refers to the word basket. Anong uri ng basket yung binili ng nanay ko? Laundry. Okay? Kasi meron din naman tayong mga fruit basket. 'Di ba? Pero yung binili ni mama ay laundry basket. So, natukoy nito kung anong uri ng basket iyon. At yan ay nalaman natin sa tulong ng mga adjectives. Katulad rin ng word na case. 'Di ba kanina nabanggit ko sa inyo yung cellphone case. So, what type of case? Cellphone. It is used for cellphone. Okay? So, nag-iba-iba na yung mga bagay depende doon sa adjective na sama dun sa unang part ng ating noun, di ba? Look at these pictures. I love wearing Korean dresses in summer. Diba? So the word Korean here, it's an adjective because it tells us about the origin of the dress. Saan ba nag-originate yung dress na ito? Siyempre sa Korea, so we will use the word Korean. Another example is the word bully. When you hear the word bully, what will come to your mind is the one who's arrogant, who's taking advantage of the other people. So when we add the word American, di ba? American bully, parang nagmukha na yun na ilabas na ito pala ay breed ng aso. The same thing with German Shepherd. Di ba? Anong uri ng Shepherd? German. Anong uri ng Husky? Siberian. Siberian Husky. Pwede rin itong gamitin sa mga luto, di ba? For example, Korean cuisine, Chinese cuisine, Filipino dish. Diba? So, yung words na yon, Korean, Filipino, American, these are all adjectives. It tells us about the origin of a certain thing. Ayan, sana may natutuhan ka. Huwag naman kalimutang mag-subscribe and like GREATfuls. Pwede mo na rin i-share para may matutuhan rin yung iba. So, moving on to the next part, we have the degrees of comparison of adjectives. Diba, meron tayong, kung sasabihin natin na matangkad ako, malamang may taong mas matangkad sa akin. At kung tatlo kami ikukumpara, merong pinakamatangkad sa amin. Okay, the first degree of comparison is the positive or the negative degree. It is the state of an adjective that has no comparison. So, kapag wala pa tayong kinukumpara, ang tawag natin dyan ay positive degree. Okay, example, tall, talkative, funny, and talented. So, kapag sinabing I am tall, so, matangkad ako. Walang kinukumpara sa akin, hindi ako kinukumpara sa kahit na kanino. Okay, next. Comparative degree. It is the state of an adjective comparing two different things, diba? So, if I am tall, then maybe my brother is taller than me. Okay, most of the time, we will just add ER at the end of the word to make it in a comparative degree. So, kapag ako ay tall, magiging taller. Kapag ako ay funny, magiging funnier. Okay? Yung letter Y sa funny, papalitan lang natin ng letter I, tas dudugtungan ng ER. Magiging funnier. Okay? So, paano naman yung talented? If I am talented and my sister is mas talentado sa akin. Paano natin yun i-Englishin? Tama, talenteder. Joke lang, grateful. Hindi pwede yun. Kasi ang talented, it has 3 syllables. 3 galaw ng bibig. Ta, len, ted. And in that case, we will use the word more before the word. So it will be more talented. The same thing with the talkative. It will be more talkative. Diba? We have superlative degree of comparison. It is the state of an adjective comparing 3 or more things. So, kanina, tall, matangkad, taller, mas matangkad. Paano yung pinakamatangkad? Yes, you're correct. We will use tallest. Most of the time, we will just add EST at the end of the word, like taller, magiging tallest, and then funny, magiging funniest. Okay, pinalitan lang natin ng I yung Y at dinagdag yung EST para ipakita na 3 at higit pang tao yung pinagkumpara natin. Okay? And how about the talkative and talented? Ano yung gagamitin natin sa umpisa? Kanina, more talkative, di ba? So, magiging most talkative, more talented, magiging most talented. So, by the sound of it, kapag sinabi natin na mas matangkad, taller, di ba? It means na dalawang tao lang yung pinagkukumpara natin. Pero kapag sinabi natin na tallest, kadalasan, yun ay 3 o higit pa. Hindi nga lang tayo sure kung ilan, pero ito ay lampas talaga ng 3 or higit pa. Ayan, grateful. I hope that you learned something from today's video. And to check that, let us have a quiz. It's gonna be 1 to 5. You will have 7 seconds for each item. Don't hesitate to write your answers in the comment box. Sulat nyo lang dyan, gawin yung papel yan. So let us start. Number 1. What degree of comparison is the word darker? A. Positive, B. Comparative, C. Superlative. The word darker. The correct answer is letter B. Comparative. Kapag superlative, ito yung darkest. Number 2. He is a new employee. What is the adjective used in this sentence? Letter A. He, B. Is, C. New, or D. Employee? Ano yung adjective na ginamit natin? The correct answer is letter C, new. It tells us about the age of the employee, kung gaano na siya katagal doon sa kumpanya. Number 3, what is the comparative form of the word good? A. Good, B. Fine, C. Better, D. Best. Okay, the correct answer is letter C, better, okay? Good, ang ating positive, better, ang comparative, at superlative ay best. Number 4, what is the superlative form of the word bad? Letter A, bad, B, worse, C, worst, D, ugly. The correct answer is letter C, worst. Okay? Itong good at saka bad, pareho itong merong exemption sa rule. Hindi pwedeng gooder or badder, hindi pwedeng goodest or baddest. Okay? Next, number 5. Which sentence is correct? Plastic rattan chairs are cheaper than authentic rattan chairs. Or letter B, plastic rattan chairs are cheaper than authentic rattan chairs. Correct answer is letter B. Ang ginamit natin ay than, T-H-A-N. We use this if we compare two things. Than na, hindi then. Ayan, Grateful's, maraming salamat na karating ka hanggang dito sa part na to. Nakailan ka sa quiz? I hope you did fine. And kung hindi man, pwede mong ulitin to para mas matutuhan mo pa. Now, kung gusto mong malaman kung paano ba ginagamit ito, my sister has long shiny black hair or my sister has shiny long black hair, pwede mong panoorin dito sa video na to. And see you!